Morning. It is probably 20 to 9. It's probably 20 to 9. I almost skipped today's video. I almost did not film. I was supposed to wake up at 20 past 5, and just to start my week properly. But I literally switched off all of my alarms because I usually set 3 alarms. I switched them. I switched them all off, and I ended up waking up at 7:15. And when I woke up, I just knew I'm not going to the gym. I'm not gonna work out because the reason I wanted to wake up is so that I could go work out. But once over 7, what do I mean? I'm only gonna start working out at 7. Am I okay? Yeah, so I didn't go to the gym. I've just been made my bed. What else did I do? I've been watching K-Yams' vlog, and I just thought, girl, you told yourself that you will be filming every week. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm watching K-Yams' vlog, and then I'm probably gonna clean our room floors, because I saw maggots. One thing about being at Ray's, guys, people are dirty. I don't know if it's just CBT, but like every single Ray's that I've stayed at, I'm dark, man, over the weekends, and the cleaners only are around during the week. My eyes are so sore, so I have to. The cleaners are only around during the week. Okay, we can do sana. You're outside, not literally outside my door, but like when I go outside towards the kitchen and towards the outside, there's like near the bin, there's maggots. I can't stand. That's the only thing I did not miss last year when I was living at home. The dirt. So I'm just gonna, because I saw them there, I need to demystify and just handy and just whatever cleaning things that I have. I need to clean the floors because I don't want any dirt coming in our room. Yeah, today I'm supposed to be receiving my fridge. I did not get my fridge on Friday. I waited the whole entire day and dololo. So today I'm gonna get my fridge because they did end up calling like probably around 5 that they apologize for the inconvenience and whatever. Yeah. So today I'm gonna get my fridge. I do want to go to Belleville. Do you think a washing basket? Because I gave it away and I just don't like how it even looks. It's too old. Also, it's blue. It's denim jean blue, and I want a white one. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Belleville, get a washing basket. What else was I gonna get? I'm not sure, but if my fridge comes, I can finally do my groceries. Hibanna. I'm saying a lot of things at the same time. Today I woke up partially, I wouldn't say blind, but my one eye, this eye, was blurry. And that usually happens when my iron levels are extremely low. Like I actually can't, now it's gotten better. Yeah, it's gotten so much better. But this morning it was so blurry. I was so scared. But then I remembered that, girl, you are iron deficient and you have not been eating healthy. So this is my PSA to you guys. If you're iron deficient, make sure that you eat healthy. Make sure that you drink your water. And honestly, I cannot blame my body for the way it's reacting because I moved in to, now it's my first, last week was my first week being at Ray's, and the whole entire week I was living off of junk food and sometimes not even eating at all. I was definitely not drinking enough water. So my body reacting that way it's kind of expected, but I couldn't buy food for to rot because I don't have a fridge and it's hot in Cape Town. Where's my food gonna stay? But my friend's arriving today. Also, I got my hair done. My friend did my hair and I'm so happy with it. Having talented friends. Yeah, good morning. Guys, it is 6 p.m. My fridge arrived earlier today. Can you see it? I think I took a little video. I'll probably put it on top of this one. My fridge arrived. I'm so happy, finally. So I just came from Belleville. My cousin and I went to go do my groceries because I needed someone to help me carry my stuff. So yeah, now we got groceries and no money. But yeah, I'm gonna make myself eggs and bread. And then watch some YouTube because I'm just not gonna cook. I'm not in the mood to cook because it's already 6. If I start cooking now, I'll probably be done at 8. Yeah, no. Guys, I'm so excited to have groceries. I have groceries. I'm so excited to have groceries. I haven't had groceries in so long. My room looked so empty. Like when the takeaways, and I never thought up in Bilanyam I would say that I'm tired of takeaways, but I'm tired. And now that I have like the main food stuff and a fridge, this is opaque. I'm going to cook. Just watch how by tomorrow I'm tired of cooking. Okay, let me cook, make myself some food, and finish watching Kayom's vlog. Guys, I'm officially in my broke girl era for the next, I don't know, until I ask my parents for money. But I don't want to, you know. I just wish they would just give me money without me asking. Which they will, but it's like, I need it now. But yeah, I'm in my broke girl era and I have food, so at least. Good morning, guys. It is 9:45. Yeah, it's 9:45. Why are they clapping hands? I have an apartment next to my raise. And I live downstairs, so yeah, I'm exposed to a lot. Anyway, it's 9:45. My friend really did my braids, hey? She did it real nice. And I'm not gonna stop going to her. I'm only gonna go to her now for braids. Anyway, it's 9:45 in the morning. I woke up at 8. I got ready. And now I'm done. I have class at 11:30, so I still have some time to watch a sermon. I'm gonna watch Sarah Jakes Roberts. Yeah, I'm gonna watch Sarah Jakes Roberts. There's something I wanted to say, but indeed, oh, what I wanted to say was I've been setting my alarm for 5 a.m. I have not been waking up at 5 a.m. I literally will hear my alarm, switch it off, and go back to bed. And I don't know by habit because I'm not used to doing that. I mean, maybe I'm just tired. Maybe I'm just lazy. Anyway, OOTD. Let's fix the pants first. Top from an old store. This was my mom's. It used to be long. I just cut it. Pants from H&M. They're long. And then shoes are from Studio 88. They are Reebok Classics, I think. Okay, I'm gonna watch the sermon and I'm probably gonna take you guys to class with me. Actually, no, I have a boring class today, and yeah, I need to actually listen or else I'm gonna fail that class. So you guys will go on me on my walk. And because I'm planning to I don't know why, but I hope I'm making sense. Also, do you see my edges? One thing about braids, Kasana, is power. This was cool person because wow, babe, my parents made sure to give me a 5 head. Keisha lives on campus and is late for class. I literally live so close to my department, but I'm late for class. I have to fix my shoe. Okay, my lecturer is already here. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. Hi guys, I am yellowish. Okay, is it working? It's not working. I'm outside. It's probably almost 9. I came outside because I was feeling overwhelmed and I just decided, let me go take a walk instead of just being cooped up. Oh my gosh, so much better. Let me go take a walk instead of being cooped up in my room. So I took a walk around campus. I went to the field and I found people exercising in this darkness. That really did motivate me to just actually wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. Actually, no, at 5:30 and get my morning routine sorted out and start exercising again, because if people can do it in the dark, what is stopping me? Laziness. The only thing stopping me is laziness. I woke up at 6. I thought I was gonna wake up at 5:20. I couldn't do the 5:20, so I did the 6 a.m. and now we're here at the field. I took a walk to the field. I didn't want to exercise. I guess the walking can be my exercising for now, because also I'm on my period, so I can't really do much else. I will fall apart. I'll probably faint. Even this walk was very hard. I even brought water to prevent me from fainting. But yeah, guys, we woke up, we came to the fields, we got a little walk, we got a little time with God this morning. As I was walking here, I was talking to God. Yeah, I was praying. And I'm very proud of that. It's a small step. It's actually a big step, because my brain has been all over the place. So just the fact that I was able to actually do this, pray while on my walk and focus on praying, it was a huge step for me. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to attempt to do the same thing. Not the same thing, but wake up early and be intentional about waking up early. Oh my gosh, something. Yeah. I'm going to walk back to my room, make my bed, clean my room, get ready for class, because I have class at 9:15. I also have to do a little prep for class. I'm supposed to be having a crit session today. I didn't prepare for that because I just wasn't in the mood. But, I mean, it has to be done, so. Yeah. Oh my gosh, the sun is rising. What? Guys, the sun is rising while I'm here. That is insane. That is such a weird experience. I don't think I've ever experienced something like this. I mean, the phone does not capture it properly because it is the sun, but it is rising. I'm about to go to class. I have a crit session. I don't have anything that can be criticized, or yeah, actually it's criticized. It's criticism. I have nothing. This is literally all I have. I'm supposed to be having this diagram. I have nothing because this thing is due in 8 weeks, and I just don't think it doesn't make sense for me to have started it last week, you know. It doesn't seem like a lot of work. I will put in. Oh my gosh, my mom's calling. Hold on. As I was saying, I think I should put you here. Oh, I should get the small tripod, Sana, because I'm struggling. As I was saying, I have a crit session today. I have nothing to show because Lender, it's due in 8 weeks, and I haven't started it. I probably will start it next week or this week, depending on how class goes today. My lecturer did send out like a to-do list where he was requesting us to come with questions, and I don't really have questions for this assignment. I don't have any questions towards him, or maybe it's because I just haven't started it. Anyway, I'm on my way to class. The point is, I'm on my way to class with nothing, and I'm thinking of not going to class, but maybe there's something I'll learn, you know. Also, yo, I couldn't. Okay, let's go to class, guys. It is many hours later. Went to class. Class was good. I didn't get into any trouble. I prayed before I went to class. I was like, God, you know I'm going into that class unprepared. Please don't let me be in trouble. But I did want to go to class because I wanted to like hear what he was going to say in regards to the actual assignment. And I'm glad I did go. He did not look at our work by some miracle. And I was just like saying thank you the whole time on my way back from class. Yo, I was praying. I was like, thank you, God, because I was going to be in so much trouble. If you know, you know. Anyway, yeah, class was good. I'm just having a really good day. Also, before class, I was texting literally all my friends that were doing my course last year. I was texting them and be like, y'all, please send me your work because I have crit session today and I have nothing to submit or show. Like, they basically helped me, and I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful because I was doing it last minute, you know what I mean? Anyway, I'm rambling. My day was good. I didn't get into trouble for not being unprepared. Instead, the class was very much, it was nice. And for Leia lecturer, classes are hardly nice. So yeah, it was a good studio session. I know where I stand in regards to my assignment, and I know what to do now. You know, I have a clear idea. I have some sort of green light on how I'm gonna do my work. Why is my door opening by itself? Scary. Anyway, yeah, I do not have class tomorrow. I don't have class on Friday. So tomorrow I'm going to do an assignment that's due on Tuesday. And then Friday I might start this assignment, or I might do it on Saturday. I don't know. Yeah, my day's been so good. So good. I'm so happy. And I think it's making it, I was gonna speak very, very wrong English there. Hold on. I think what's making my day really good is the fact that I'm on my period and I'm not feeling down and things are going well. That's not a normal thing for me. Girl, go back. Being on my period and feeling good is not a normal thing. Also, my period came on Valentine's Day. Anyway, this is my second time having this pasta. I had it earlier on today. It's like almost 5. And I just decided, let me just warm it up and have it again. I'm not even going to pack it into a bowl or anything. I literally warmed it up with my mom's Tupperware. Sorry. So I'm about to have this pasta. This is my dinner. It's 5. I'm having this as dinner. It was so good. You know when you cook and you're like, damn, like likwabile. This is one of those meals. It's really good. Hot. It's sweet and spicy. Chef's kiss, babe. Hi guys. I'm at my department. I've been here since 10 a.m. It is now 5:30. However, I only started working at 4 p.m. because I could not sign into any of my Microsoft accounts. I don't know why. but eventually around like 2-3 I was able to sign in, and then at 3, like a couple of minutes before 3, I left. I went back to my res, I made myself food, and then I came back at 4. I started working and it's been good. I am mentally drained though, because it's just things have just been going very slow today, and that also I overslept this morning. I was supposed to wake up at 5. I woke up at 8. I'm trying to just go with the flow of what my body needs. And I know I'm on my period and I'm losing tons of blood, so I can't really expect myself to be proactive, but I'm just like, I really wanted to finish this assignment today and I'm not going to. I have started, which I'm proud of, but guys, I'm on my way to the main entrance because I got to my department and I can't enter. Mind you, I left my stuff in there. Yes, I locked the lab that I was in, but my stuff is there. Thank God I took my phone and my room key. I can't enter, and the security that's supposed to be in the front is not there. Yeah, yo, now I have to walk to the main entrance to the main entrance to find a way to get in to get my bag. Guys, it's 7 flippin' p.m. In Cape Town it doesn't look like 7 p.m, but trust me, it is 7 p.m. Guys, it's 7:30 at night. I've just decided that I'm gonna go back to my room. I might cook because I think I'm hungry, I'm not sure. And I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my night because it's Thursday. I still have Friday. I can do this on Friday. I'm tired. I'm not gonna complete this assignment today. I'm gonna go back to my room, cook some food, probably watch some TD Jakes, and carry on with my life. I'm just not in the mood to finish off this assignment. And it just be like that sometimes. It is Friday. We're still here with this assignment. I'm trying to put words into my own words, right? When I tell you English is difficult, your English is difficult. I've been reading this thing over and over, trying to make it make sense, trying to make it understandable for me and the person who's going to be marking it, in this case my lecturer. But yo guys, it is 5 p.m. on a Friday. I'm done with my assignment. The only thing I still gotta do is my referencing, but the information I did it. I've got it on lockdown. Hopefully the marks reflect. I hope the English. I hope the marks reflect, because honestly I spend a lot of time on that. I'm at res. I'm warming up leftovers. I'm about to have food, jump into bed, watch some YouTube the whole night, and go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. That's my food.